Hello, it's Maggie with the Mattz group again. Welcome back to Bucktown. Today we're going to take a look at Naveen's Cuisine. Really great spot right here on North Avenue, just down the street from Humboldt Park. Let's go. Well, hi Naveen. Thank you so much for having us here.
Maggie, thanks for coming.
Absolutely. If you could just share with us a little bit about kind of how you got started here. The space here today is just so beautiful, but I know it's not where you started. So tell us a little bit about who you are and where you got started.
So I am an electrical engineer. I started cooking classes in 2001 when I got laid off from my job. I started them from my house, and then once my kids were born, my wife said, "Get out."
Okay.
I found a space. I was at a different location for 10 years, and then I came here in 2020. So I've been here for 2.5 years now.
Okay, awesome. Well, a very welcome addition to the neighborhood, that's for sure.
Thank you.
All right, so what would you say is your favorite part? It could be about being in the space, it could be about your cooking classes, your events. What's the best part of what you do?
The best part is just engaging with people. I have a personality where I like to socialize. There's a job where my kids stay. I party all the time.
Okay.
They don't see what
sounds like a pretty good job.
It is a good job. I've been doing it now for 22 years.
Right.
So I host cooking classes where everyone comes in and they do all the prep and they do the cooking, and I teach them about various steps and techniques, how to make it fast and more efficient in the kitchen.
Okay.
I can host a party up to about 100 people that anyone can come in, where we cook the food and serve it.
Great.
Or you can plan a demonstration where you don't want to cook, but you don't want the food cooked, so you want us to show you and explain to you. So that's the part of what we do. And again, it's a party, it's a socializing event. That's what I offer up.
Right. It's kind of the way I was thinking about it too, is that it's sort of a different way of maybe going out to dinner.
Exactly.
You're not just going to a restaurant, but you're engaging, you're getting to do something.
Yep.
And probably meet new people kind of around the counter and actually learn something at the same time about cooking.
That's what I tell people. It is not an outing, it's an activity. So
Yeah.
you're engaging, you get to know people, especially if, let's say, if you're doing a bridal event where bride's family don't know each other, put them together, they have to talk about the dull points. It's good icebreaker when you're prepping and cooking.
Yeah, take some of the pressure off the
Absolutely.
conversation.
Great game night. Great game night.
Yeah, sure, yeah. So tell me about those cooking classes then. Like, where does your inspiration come from? Because I know they're not always the same.
So I offer Indian food, Thai food, and sushi. I generally gravitate towards Asian food when I go out to eat.
Okay.
And people don't know much about Indian food. They think it's too complicated to cook.
Mm-hmm.
And that's one of the things that I want to make sure it's a cultural journey. We talk about India, we talk about parts of the country, the differences between the regional food, and then using the spices that can be used to make food. And just simplify cooking it. It's not like how people used to make and spend 12, 14 hours in the kitchen. It's like 30 minutes, you're gonna have a meal prepared.
Okay, that's great, because I know, of course, like for anyone who's working, having a meal prepared in 30 minutes is huge, and then making it accessible so it doesn't feel so maybe overwhelming and daunting.
Exactly. And again, it's not specific to, again, cooking all over the world, if you see, the techniques are comparable. So saying we do one cuisine versus the other, I like to get people a little more efficient, a little more comfortable in the kitchen, rather than saying, let's read the recipe and cook something.
Right, okay, cool. Tell us a little bit about the events that you have hosted, the types of events that people can book and host here with your space.
So events, you can have anything. You can have an anniversary, you can have a birthday party, a corporate team outing, a client appreciation event, a family get together for the holidays. So anytime you want to go out, you can come here.
Okay.
The difference is you're cooking here with me
Right.
rather than going out and somebody cooking for you. We do BYO, so you can bring your own wine, beer, spirits, whatever.
Awesome.
I also bring some for me because I like my cocktails.
Sure.
I have a space where we can do about 100 people for a party. I have 2 classrooms. Each classroom can accommodate about 20 people.
Okay.
Then I have an outdoor patio where we do grilling classes. I've had some bachelorette parties where girls are scared of grilling, and they're like, I don't know how to grill, so teach me how to do it.
Right.
So we go through basics of grilling. Then I have a lounge downstairs. We have a pool table, shuffleboard. So everyone can get together, you eat, drink, and then you go. It's like your house. You
Right.
go in, you eat, mingle, then you find a place to just
It's
socialize, chill out, and relax.
It's like a more beautiful, larger version, maybe.
Right.
Because I don't know about you, but I don't have this kitchen in my house.
I don't have it in my house either. You don't have to shop. You don't clean up if you ever.
Right. There you go.
So I take away that stress
Yes.
from your house. It's like, oh my God, people are coming. I need to clean the house. No. You just come in,
Just come here.
write the check, and you're done.
Yeah.
It's easy as that.
Yeah, okay, I like that way of thinking about it. Like you're kind of handling so many aspects of the hosting, everyone, even the host or the hostess can enjoy
Yes.
and have a wonderful time and talk to everyone who's at the party. Because I know that a lot of times that's, you know, if you're hosting, you're busy doing so many other things.
Oh, absolutely.
You almost feel like the party came and went and you weren't there.
I've actually had a few clients whom I've told saying, you've come here so many times that I have nothing else to teach you. Like I can't even tell you any more jokes because
Right.
that
I've used
number
up
is over.
everything I have.
Yeah. And they're like, Naveen, we don't have clean, this is what.
Right.
That's why we come to you.
Right.
So I'm like, all right.
Hey.
It works. They're happy, I'm happy. I would say I need 300 clients, come and see me once a year.
Okay.
That's 300 days of work.
Right.
That's all. I don't want to pay more than that.
All right, your magic number.
Right.
This all sounds really awesome, and now my brain is sort of thinking, I'd love to do a client event here for my clients. Is that something we could put together?
Oh, absolutely. I think that's a great idea.
Okay.
Easiest is just send me an email or text me or call me.
Okay.
Get a date together, and then for menu planning, just find out dietary restrictions, allergies, and we'll get a date together on the evening and socialize, show people what we actually do.
And how much notice do you typically need for something like that?
For a private event on a weeknight, you can get within a week or two. If there's
okay.
a particular night you're looking for, book as soon as you
In
can.
advance.
That is the best. You get
Okay.
the date that you want.
Makes sense. Awesome. Well, I'm looking forward to it, bringing some of my clients here to check out the space and learn something.
I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Thank you for coming.
Thanks for
And
having
on the
us.
cocktails.
We will not forget those.
Thanks.